My friend. Now, Mark, you obviously being in the sports department at News 8 have been studying the field. What are the things we should watch for this year?
I think, again, watch everybody because it is wide open. And of course, James Blake being back with the local favorite, the local flavor, that always helps him. And if he look for him to win it all if he wins today, because over the last several years he either wins or is out in the first round.
So there is the first piece of insider information. If James Blake wins, is his first match today?
His first match today. It's one of those not before 4 o'clock in the stadium.
Okay.
And due to the weather, that may change. But right now, it's not before 4 out at the stadium. If he can get a victory today, catapults him.
There you go. Then he's potentially a contender to take it all.
I think so.
And I would think we would be expecting an appearance from the J Block.
Absolutely. They have been selling tickets like crazy.
If you don't know, the J Block is James's, shall we say, boisterous group of compadres who will take over a section of the stadium and whoop it up.
Yes, they tailgate usually before. They should be here soon because they come 2-3 hours before the match, tailgate, and then bring it into the stadium.
Yes.
Just like college football, and then just take over.
They too seem to be well hydrated.
Well, it's a necessity.
It's a necessity because, you know, tennis you can perspire even in the, you know, even as a fan, and so they tend to hydrate before the match.
Yeah, and today it is so pleasant. The stadium always a little bit cooler because of, I think, because of the way it's configured, and it's just very pleasant inside. It should make for great tennis today.
Now on the women's side, what an impressive field this year. We have got 4 of the top 8 women in the world here in New Haven this year.
And of course, led by the two-time defending champion, Caroline Wozniacki, who loves the tournament, loves New Haven, loves the people, loves Yale football. I understand that the Yale football team will be at her first match, I believe, tomorrow.
That's what I understand.
They are coming over. Tom Williams, the head coach, has arranged the preseason practice schedule to allow them to come because she spoke to them last year and there was a bond that developed.
I love that.
And she always professed to wanting to go to college and come to Yale. And she takes a tour every year and goes around Yale, and she and several of the European players feel so much at home with New Haven because they say it reminds them of a European city.
No kidding.
Yes, Anna Ivanovic was talking about that at her press conference the day before she unfortunately had to pull out, that they love Yale, they love New Haven, Yale in particular, because of its buildings, European-esque.
Oh, see, this is good. This is why we bring Mark Robbins to lunch with Bruce, because Bruce has no information. Mark Robbins,
the internet.
Tons of internet. All I've got is the interwebs.
A little bit.
Yes. Now, and then you mentioned Dementieva's playing now.
She's playing right now out on Stadium Court. She is the 4th seed and a strong performer in the past here. Wozniacki, the 2-time defending champion, and again, just wide open.
And Sammy Stosur?
Samantha, who you spent a lot of time with yesterday.
She
love
was
her.
So nice. Love her.
Terrific.
Yes. And let's see, who else should we talk about in the women's field?
Well,
Melanie Oudin.
Melanie Oudin, who was such a surprise at the U.S. Open last year.
Delighted crowds at the U.S. Open last year. I was watching every one of her matches on TV.
Oh,
that was a great story.
Anytime, of course, you can get the big American rising star, as we're going to have with Donald Young, and Melanie on the women's side did that last year. She was here to promote youth tennis out at the Edgewood courts a few blocks away last summer before the tournament, and took this appearance here and went into the Open and had that tremendous run. So this is why you get such great opportunity when you come here to the Pilot Pen a week before the U.S. Open, and you use it as a springboard, and of course it certainly bodes well for the tournament.
Yeah, this has really become a tournament where, yes, the established stars have done well here. You know, Venus Williams won the tournament, gosh, it must have been 5 years in a row or something.
Yeah, 4 or 5 years.
4 or
yeah.
5 years in a row. But it seems like recently stars have started to emerge here, which is wonderful, and they have been able to carry that momentum down to New York afterwards.
Yes, and Caroline Wozniacki, again, another strong performance at the Open after winning here, and she continues to come back, and you have Dinara Serafina, who is a former number one, who is back and kind of a sleeper. Because she has struggled with injury, but now that she's back, I think a lot of eyes have to be on her to make a strong run.
And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is she playing the night match tonight? I think she's scheduled to play the night match.
Is she against Francesca Schiavone?
I think so. I think it's a big,
tremendous first round match.
Boom. Don't miss